prima donnas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, jumping right into the video, we are doing these sleepover baskets that I actually created for my daughter's sleepover. So as you can see, all of these items came from Dollar Tree. I ended up making 5 baskets, and this is all of the things that I put inside. So you guys, I probably spent about maybe $60 something, but I'm using these little wire baskets. Those came from Dollar Tree, and then I went ahead and put some tissue paper, and of course I'm using newspaper to go ahead and stuff these little baskets. So you guys, I thought this would be a cute thing to do as a party favor. You know, when you go to parties, or when you used to go to parties as kids, they would give you a cute little, you know, a little gift or something. But I wanted them all to have alike items for this sleepover, and I did think about the fact that they would need snacks and probably want candy and things, and I was like, I'll put their own individual ones inside of their basket. Another thing was these cute little nail files and things for doing little girly stuff, nails and filing and polishing and all that stuff. So I did get cotton candy for all of them so that they would have something sweet to snack on. And then she also had, it was like a pool slumber party, so that's why you see the little floaties, so that everybody would have their own floaty. And it came out really cute, you guys. I did these little sleep masks here as well. Everything, like I said, everything came from Dollar Tree, and I found these cute little colorful lollipops that I like. And then the face masks were actually something I got from Dollar General, and those I paid about 10 cents for. So you can't have a sleepover without silly string, so I had to add the silly string in there. Each one of them got a nail polish that was their favorite color. So what I did was I messaged their moms before the sleepover to see what their favorite color was, and that's how I came up with what color baskets that I would do. So each girl got their favorite color, and I tried to get items that were as close or included their favorite color. So that's where the color scheme came from. Then I went ahead and cut down these shrink wrap bags. These are the bags that I always use, but they're a little bit big for these baskets, so I just went ahead and cut it off with my little Cricut trimmer I always use, you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this thing up, and I'm going to tape the sides like I normally do, and it works out very well. So because these are just some cute little baskets, these kids really don't care about bows and things like that, I just went ahead and added a pull bow to the top, which you will see later. But I secured this basket just like any other basket. Went ahead and did it down to the bottom. I went ahead and taped it. I taped the sides to the back of the basket so that you can't see where the seam is. And of course, you know, this is what the basket looks like. And now, as you can see, that I am going ahead and tying this pull bow on, and then I'm just going to curl the ends to make it look cute. And you guys, I'm thinking that this will be something that I will offer year round for parties and, you know, different type of events where people can have specialized baskets for their participants. So this is what all of the different little baskets look like in their different favorite colors. We got blue, we got pink, some of them we have like more yellow in it than others, but this is what it looks like, you guys. These came out super cute, and they really enjoyed them. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, you guys. Leave me a comment down below, and make sure you hit that thumbs up. Until next time, stay crafty.